Pero yung mga ganitong tamban dito, muli na sa mga bangka dyan. Bili-bili po namin tapos ginagawa lang yan.
Welcome to Project OTOP, One Town, One Product, where we introduce and give deep appreciation to one of the wonderful produce of our local communities. Today, we will venture into the land of Cavite's smoked fish capital. Welcome to Rosario, Cavite. Rosario is a coastal town where the sea meets the land and where the fishing industry becomes a source of livelihood for its people. Rosario is known for its Tinapang Salinas, a smoked fish named after Rosario's former name, Salinas. It became known for its thriving culture in the fish industry and eventually was officially recognized as the Tinapa Capital of the Philippines. We visited one of the famous Tinapahan in the area, Cafredo's Tinapang Salinas, and witnessed their production process for tinapa.
May nakakita na kayo doon ng mga binibilad na tinapa, di ba? Tapos meron ding binibilad na unan. Iba yun. Mga binibilad na tinapa. Yan. Mamaya may kita po natin. So ngayon ay i-observe po natin kung paano po nila ginagawa po dito and pwede po tayong mag-ask po ng questions while they are doing yung pagpaproduce po ng tinapa. Okay?
Inside the production site was huge and full of hundreds of different types of fish, such as bangus, galunggong, and lawlaw, being prepared to be smoked and dried. Traditional tools such as banlian and pugon were present on the site.
Ilan taon niyo na po ginagawa ito, ma'am?
10 years na kami, 2013 ata, 13, 14, 14, 2020.
Tapos kasama na po kayo dito po.
Oo, family business na siya.
Bale, ito po talaga yung gusto niya pong maging business po.
Ito naman kasi yung talagang business dito sa lugar namin, kaya ito na rin kami dito, ito na rin yung ano namin.
Mrs. Lorna shared the processes behind the famous smoked fish. To defrost the frozen fish, they first immerse it in water until it is fully thawed. Once thawed, these were neatly put in a bilaran ng isda made out of thin bamboo sticks, which were then put under the sun to dry for about 30 minutes.
Kapag tuyo na yung isda, dito naman lulutuin, babalian. Pangat lang. Banlian, pangat.
Banlian? Ano po yung ibig sabihin po?
Parang pangat lang siya.
Pangat?
Tubig asin.
Paano niyo po malalaman po na ano na siya? Parang okay na siya? Okay na, luto na?
Tapos, sasanansan dito, ugasan ulit, diretso sa pusukan.
Ah, okay.
There are 6 pugons at their production facility, but they are divided into 2, allowing them to utilize a total of 12 pugons.
Ikaw trabaho?
Ako.
Tagal na ang trabaho.
Matagal na daw po siya dito.
Tagal na ang trabaho na.
Ano po yung nilalagay po natin?
Mugmug sa karton.
Mugmog sa karton. Yung
Pinaganon ng mga aparador.
Ah, okay po. Mula sa mga aparador. Mga kahoy din po ba sila? Okay.
Once that is done, all that is left is to put them neatly in a package lined with newspaper to avoid crushing the fish. Another method of preparing the fish, aside from tinapa, is the preparation for dyeing na isda. This method involves cutting the fish in half and marinating it in vinegar and salt mixture to achieve its desired taste before letting it dry under the sun. The Brightways Academy students were able to experience arranging the fish that are being prepared for sun exposure.
Or kailangan po, ano niya po siya by size po? Pinipilian niyo po ba siya ng laki, sir? Hindi na po. Ganyan lang talaga po usually yung laki ng... Ay ko! Pwede din! Uy,
Wala gamit ko.
ano? Lagi nga ako nakakain ng hilang ng isda eh. Wait lang, ito na itong galawin. Para maluto, ano sir?
Just a few steps away from Cafredos is Aling Nene's Tinapang Salinas. Facing the West Philippine Sea and Manila Bay, where trading boats usually line up and dock in the morning to deliver the raw fish that they use for tinapa. It is filled with the salty smell of the smoked fish.
Bali dyan na po sir binibilad.
Ito po, lulutuin po, smoke fish na po ito. Isasalang po. Luto na po, galing po rin doon sa pangat. Bilang makuha ang isda natin, yun namin gagawain lang.
Para sa isang araw po, mga ilan po mostly po yung nagagawa nito?
Depende sa order. Pag may order marami rin. Pag order konti, pero yung mga ganitong tamban dito, huli na sa mga bangka dyan. Ganito lang po yun. Bili-bili po namin tapos ginagawa lang yun.
Sobrang dami rin po yung bumibili po ito.
Wala na rin. Maganda yung umaga-umaga ka na punta, daming bangka dyan, mga bangka dyan na pila.
Opo, maraming.
Oo, dami. Umaga mga ICT. Kung tanghali na wala na, naguyan na.
Mrs. Nene, who has been there for at least 10 years now, talked about the fishes available in their company. Mrs. Nene also voiced concerns about the weakening of their business. The increasing prices of the raw supplies on the market have caused a huge price increase for their products as well.
Ma'am, ngayon po, ano pong ginagawa niyo po sa bangus?
Binoboneless.
Okay, para po
Bago tatapay.
Magkano po yung isang ganyan, ma'am?
Ang bangus, 180 per piece.
Ayun, ganyan, yung ganyan.
They have expressed their concerns about their profit in relation to other items such as chicken, which is now less expensive than fish, given the crisis brought upon by the pandemic and its ongoing and continuous effect on their business. There is an increase of at least 100 pesos per kilo in their products compared to previous years. Along with Rosario, Cavite's Tinapa culture, it is also a place of important historical events. One of these historical places is the Casa Hacienda de Tejeros.
Dito po, unang ginanap ang atin pong unang halalan or election.
The elected officials were Emilio Aguinaldo as president, Mariano Trias as vice president, Artemio Ricarte as captain general, Emiliano Riego de Dios as Director of War, and Andres Bonifacio as Director of the Interior. However, a new conflict was formed between the factions when Andres Bonifacio felt insulted about the objection of Tirona from Magdalo. The Supremo, Andres Bonifacio, eventually declared the election null and void. Fortunately, the original Grand Estate House did not survive the years of conflict surrounding it. The building that stood in its place is a replica to commemorate the old building. In the back part of the building are stairs made of stone leading to the old tunnels that the Revolution used to hide from the Spaniards.
Siguro pinagtaguan nila, no?
The tunnel is said to extend all the way to Aguinaldo's house in Cavite, but has now been blocked by vines, and parts of it have reportedly already eroded with time. The existence of the Casa Hacienda de Tejeros is a reminder of the political processes that transpired in the historical revolution. This site is evidence that this part of our history was real. It was not just moments of battle and death, politics was alive even in between. With further care and maintenance, it contains so much more untapped potential to serve as a reminder to keep remembering parts of our rich history that we must never, ever forget. The Tinapa culture and historical significance of Rosario, Cavite remain as parts of the identity of this coastal town.
Nagbababat din dito.
We cannot overlook the challenges that come with the process of keeping this identity whole and alive. It is in the best interest of the people and the municipality as a whole to encourage everyone to pay attention to the preservation of these places. Let us all remember our capacity to embark on a journey of restoration and protection of the rich culture of Rosario, Cavite. This is day 3 of Project Auto. One town, one product.